Hello, this is my 94 Chevrolet K1500. This is a half-ton four-wheel drive. Has a 5.7. It's a throttle body injection. It's a 4-speed overdrive automatic with a four-wheel drive manual shift. Got 253,000 miles. There's roughly 26,000 miles on a remanufactured long block. It's 30 thousandths over. I've been having problems with cold starting. It starts rather rough and it dies frequently until it warms up. Have to keep trying to start it. I put a fuel pressure tester on the intake side, or the input side of the fuel filter, and I'm getting 13 psi before the engine starts and then while it's running. And once I shut it off, it goes down to 0 after, I didn't really time it, but probably 10 to 30 seconds. And I also replaced the distributor because I had reused the old distributor and it had some play in it at that time. But I went ahead and replaced it anyways. They're not that expensive. That didn't make any difference. And then I was reading online that the engine coolant temperature sensor could be a problem. But I'll show you what it does with the it's idling really rough. It is keeping running right now. Probably because it's a pretty warm day today. I'll shut it off here. Before I started videoing, I had started it and it did die once. But it's idling quite rough. In the winter, or when it's colder in the mornings, it's a lot worse. This is the old engine coolant sensor. I already have the new one in. I don't know if you can hear the difference, but it idles a lot better. Even before it didn't die, it was sputtering a little. And right now it's idling nice and smooth like it did before it had any of these problems. And so if you have one of these TBIs 5.7 that starts hard and it dies frequently until the engine warms up, it could be this engine coolant temperature sensor. Because apparently the computer uses this for the engine temperature for adjusting the fuel-air mixture until the O2 sensor in the manifold warms up. Because apparently that doesn't send any signal until it's warm. But you might want to give that a try, see if that fixes your problems. Thank you.